Well, the chainsaw blade turned into similar to a butter knife, and I was doing more work than I had to, so we just got us a new blade. This is a STIHL 26RS81. So we're gonna open it up, put it on. If you've never put one on, maybe stick around and see what that looks like. This is the worst part in my opinion, trying to get this out. The insides, there you go, just pull it on up from there, pull it up, pull it straight up, there you go. Now you're cooking with gas. There you go. Wow, look at that. All right, so we gotta get this other one off. Yes, I know there's just one nut on my chainsaw. I lost the other one. So make sure the point's going away from you. So see the point going away. If that thing won't tighten, your nut's too tight. That's the way I like it. So the one nut's good and tight, the point's going towards you, and now hopefully we've turned our butter knife into a fillet knife. Now we're gonna go look at this poplar tree and see if we can't make it go even with the ground. Appreciate you watching. Love STIHL products. Love this STIHL chainsaw. Hope it helps.